Cracking the code. Transforming fractions to decimals. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating topic: converting fractions to decimals. Understanding this mathematical concept not only boosts your English language skills but also enhances your numerical literacy. Don't worry if it sounds complex, we'll break it down together, step by step. First things first, let's grasp what fractions and decimals are. A fraction is a way of expressing a quantity that is not whole, where the number above the line, numerator, represents the part and the number below the line, denominator, represents the whole. A decimal, on the other hand, is another way to represent fractions, but in a form that works with our base 10 number system. The magic of converting fractions to decimals lies in understanding how these two forms of representation relate to each other. The process of conversion from fractions to decimals is relatively straightforward. To convert a fraction into a decimal, you divide the numerator by the denominator. It's as simple as that. For instance, consider the fraction 3/4. We divide 3 by 4, and the result is 0.75, which is the decimal equivalent of 3/4. Let's make this concept clearer with some examples. Example 1. Convert the fraction 1/2 to a decimal. You divide 1 by 2, which gives you 0.5. Therefore, 1/2 in decimal form is 0.5. Example 2. Convert the fraction 3/10 to a decimal. You divide 3 by 10, which gives you 0.3. Therefore, 3/10 in decimal form is 0.3. Now, try some on your own. Here are a few practice problems. 1. Convert the fraction 7/8 to a decimal. 2. Convert the fraction 5/10 to a decimal. 3. Convert the fraction 9/5 to a decimal. That's it, folks. You've now learned how to convert fractions into decimals in English. Remember, practice is key, so keep working on more examples until you're comfortable with the process. We hope you found this session useful and enlightening. Tune in for more exciting learning experiences, and until then, happy learning.